What are the features and benefits of the Westpac digital card? So, the Westpac digital card offers a convenient and secure way to manage your finances without needing a physical card. It's accessible through the Westpac mobile app and it provides a range of features designed to enhance your banking experience. So, one of its features. Some of the features that it has instant access, so your digital card is available immediately upon account approval, allowing you to start transacting without waiting for a physical card. There's also mobile wallet compatibility, so you can easily add your digital card to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay for seamless contact-based payment. There's also enhanced security naturally as well, since the digital card includes a dynamic CVV that changes periodically, reducing the risk of fraud. So what are its benefits? The convenience. There's no need to carry a physical card. Your digital card is always accessible via your smartphone. The speed as well, so you can start using your card immediately after approval without waiting for mail delivery. Security as well, since there's dynamic CVV, so your CVV changes all the time. It's the ability to control card settings and enhances your card security. And finally, integration, of course. It works seamlessly with major mobile wallets for quick and easy payments.